What is going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. It is 1 Minute Mondays. I like 1 Minute Mondays. They're fun. I play you guys 1 minute. I'm going to start warming up right now. Challenges are available. Bang, we're in a 1 minute game. I got hot coffee over there, too. I got to grab it. After this game, folks. After this game. Love it. This guy's getting completely outplayed. Here, I guess? Okay, I guess I have to come... I'm losing on time. I gotta move faster. Push for the discovery, doesn't do anything. There you go. Maybe shouldn't have done that. Here. Beautiful night. Take it. In file. Got to get out. He has way too much time, guys. I really screwed this up. Dude, I lost on time. That was horrible. I got a piece at the beginning. Guys. You guys are gonna beat me up today, bro. This is not good. This is not made of wood. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. That comment's good. Will Anthony, how you doing, brother? Kirby's here. Just played a lot of 30-second games just now. So attention span is fried. Dude, I saw a short with Anna Cramling playing 30-second chess. Dude, we should try it sometime, bro. What's the one they called where they start with 10 seconds? And you get 1 second for every move. Bree looks like Jack Black. If you're talking about me, hi. I don't know who Bree is. Ultra Bullet. Guys, I'm grabbing that coffee. Come with me. Come with me to the coffee can. Okay, guys. Big question. I need the answer to this. At what age do you stop sliding across the kitchen floor on your socks? What age? I always join during the coffee can. Bill Stevens. What is going on, brother? Bill Stevens. I got... Oh, let me show you guys what I got. These are new mic cables. My audio engineer, who happens to be in chat, recommended replacing my mic cord. Also, I have to do some cleaning on this mic, which is very, very scary. I haven't done that yet. I was going to replace the cable on stream, but I thought, no, that'll be too much of a lull. And so I'm just going to have to do it off stream. But I am going to record while I do it. New 1 minute. I didn't see any challenges. Did someone send me one? Is it gone? Did I trap my knight? Okay, take. Let him have it. That's a good move, huh? Just save the knight now. Oh, I could have came here the whole time. No, I couldn't have. There's no way! We're in action, folks! The action is real. Oh my god, he gets out, guys. He gets out. He got out, guys. I guess I'm coming here. Looking. Talking. Ah! Guys, I freaking dropped it. Go! Threatening. This check doesn't do anything. Threatening. He can check me. Just do it. Got him on time. Wow, wasn't even looking at the clock. That was horrifying. Your Twitch stream is sub-only chat. Electro Falco, thank you. Dude, you're an angel from heaven above. Some people like sub-only chat. I don't do it on purpose. We did a sub-only stream. The last stream on Saturday was the monthly chess workshop. Come on, Kirby, play well, my friend. Oh, I made it. So play Knight F6 there. And it was set to sub-only chat. Electro Falcon, thank you. You have no much idea how much I appreciate that. You know what I'm trying to say. For a game, Jetteens, there is a pinned comment. Read it, do it, and play me. We could be playing right now. Yeah, absolutely up for a game. What are you playing, dude? We're playing 1 minute. Kotu. Mohammed, we are in 1 minute unrated. Mohammed challenges me the correct time control. That was a bad move. Why am I not just playing moves I know? Play moves you know. Could be a move, but I don't think it is. I think I'm taking this with check. Threatening, 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 threatening. Blocking. Should have took that. Now we come back. We do this. It's a maneuver. We found the maneuver, folks. Dude, Muhammad, you played a great game for a 960, man. My God. My God. Well, tell me that was not a great game. Mustafa says, remember me, Mustafa. How could I ever forget you? Mustafa, how are you, my friend? Oh, and Bill Stevens says he'll always slide. Yeah. Well, at some point, we got to get smart. Bill Stevens says, man, this diamond status is changing my life more than you know. I want you to know how much I appreciate you. Love you, Bill Stevens. Mustafa says, I designed your character a few years ago. Absolutely, guys. Guys, now this is not the exact design, but this is inspired from it. But on my intro screen, see that right there? That's inspired from it. And as I do the little stinger, watch. That one right there, that's it. I think I might have added an outline so it would stand out. But Mustafa, guys, like probably 4.5, 5 years ago, he created that for me. He created that for me, man. He said, hey, I made this thing. You want it? I'm like, yeah. I said, can I use it? He said, sure. Mustafa, I love you, brother. How was your life, man? I haven't seen you. It's been a minute. Mustafa comes in every couple of years, I think. Once a year, once every couple of years. It's probably been a couple of years, huh, Mustafa? Up for a game, Justin. Send it, brother. I'm sitting here with no... Okay, wait. Someone sent me a friend request, though. What do we have? Glorious189. Glorious, we are now friends on chess.com. That means that we take care of each other and help each other get better at chess. Just like me and Mustafa. For 5 years, I've been freaking hanging out with Mustafa. Thank you for keeping it. That's beautiful. Thank you for making it, man. To be honest, this one right here... Wait, this one right here... A lot of times I'll tell the AI, you know, make it... I'll tell them, make it more like the original one. Stop changing it. They have to, though. They can't listen sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, finally you're able to play 96 against you, huh? Yeah, it's not supposed to happen. I was supposed to play knight f6 just to start. I played queen f6. It's the old line. I mixed two lines up. Queen f6 might still be the move there, though. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, let's pause that. Thank you, chess.com, for promoting my stream. Kirby, let me look. Queen f6 is another line, but I don't think I play it there. I think I play knight f6. And I think that line is actually not one of the better lines for white, but we'll see. Yeah, you just played 86% accuracy. I played 49. Anandu is in. Anand, 1 second, though. Anandu, I have to look at this real quick. Yeah, this... Okay, knight f6. Queen f6 is best, but I play knight f6. Stops a check. And then, like, it wants d3, you play this. The knight moves. I think we take. They don't play bishop takes. You can, but if you play bishop takes, I play d5, and I'm threatening to fork. So you probably play pawn takes. And then d5, and we're playing chess. You know, and this is like plus 0.46. The thing is, I'm in a position that I've played a million times. Most people aren't, right? But I played queen f6, which actually is the best move. But I'm supposed to play d5? What did I play? Yeah, just d5. I mean, how am I playing c... Okay, it wants knight c6 too. Knight c6, queen e5 or d5. Yeah. d5 is fine. d3, you always take. Queen d3, knight c6, yep. Knight c6, this knight is good, this knight is bad. Capture toward El Centro. He just says knight b5, queen d8. Or bishop d6, wow. It's a game of chess. Anandu, you are in, my brother. Play well, Anandu. Guys, join the arena! Understand, Anandu is rated 370 chess.com rating points. Kicking. Same idea. Push the pawn. Oh, yeah. He had the pawn push, and then he would have threatened this. Oh, I could have got that out, maybe? That's no fun. I think check was better. But we have multiple check scenarii happening right here. I'm tripping! Anandu's gonna win, guys. Anandu's playing good. What do you do? It's a peace machine, guys. Oh, no! I thought it was checking, bro. I thought it was... He's going to win. Anandu's not even the one I'm thinking of, though. Dude, I resign. I can't beat Anandu. He's rated 300. I think you're a little low rated, Anandu. I mean, I played horrible, but you played good, Anandu. That was a good game. Okay, we'll see if I can compete. I couldn't compete in that game. He gave me too many pieces now, which is winning, and I couldn't do it. I played D4. Why? What do you do? Knight comes. Yeah, probably okay for him. Probably should have brought a rook. I would have brought a rook. Okay. Oh, I should... Yeah, what am I doing, man? Just play this. He wants it so bad. I don't know if it's a good transfer. He's a grandmaster, guys. He's a grandmaster. I resign. He's got 15 seconds. Good job, dude. Best chess. Best Laman Kun of chess. Good game, dude. You guys are crushing me. How am I going to do in the arena if I can't win a freaking game? Guys, join the arena. It's in the pinned comments. Velner, what's up? Septashra, Rook D1 was made. Are you a theory enthusiast? Well, in my 1 minute, not so much. I don't play D4. I used to play D4. I used to win a lot of games with D4. I used to win a lot of games playing D4, guys. Very simple plans. Because most people would play... This is how you join the arena, guys. Join the arena. Yeah, Rook D1. Did they have Rook D1 or I had Rook D1? I'm guessing they had Rook D1. Rook D1. But that was the last game? It had to be the last game. Had to be the last game. Okay, so now we got AFM Kirby, Best Chess, and myself in the arena, guys. Click and join the arena. It starts in 11chess.com minutes. Yeah, that guy crushed me, man. I'm not like a theory enthusiast. I used to work on chess a lot, and therefore that included learning learning lines that I was playing in classical chess. Random facts for you. More than 40% of Americans believe their house is haunted, citing they've experienced some kind of paranormal activity at home. That is freaking hilarious. That is random, and coming from Random Facts for You, totally expect it. Freaking love it. Yeah. Okay, no challenges. New game. Let's go. I'm playing. Guys, if you guys got to send it. think I might still be getting a little something here. He can't run anywhere quite yet. I think he's better. Just put it back on here for the massive... Oh, he got castled. Oh, that's no fun. Just take this with him. Okay. Okay. Didn't see it. Okay. Double check. Check me. I won a game, guys. I won a game from the pool for rating points. I gained rating points. Like I was higher rated than me. Poople, how you doing, man? Join the arena. Septashwa says, very nice to hear. I played you once. You set me up for a trap and crushed me. Let's go. I beat you in Natandu. Good game, dude. Very good game. You crushed me. I had no choice. Actually, I had all the chances in the world. I got a piece early, right? And then you just didn't give up, and I just was and you played better than me for the second half of the game. By far, totally deserved. Good game, my friend. Good game. Someone send me a challenge, man. Once the arena starts in exactly 8 minutes, guys, we need more players. Just join the arena. Get involved. You got to get involved. Can I play against you? Again, I don't know, Natandu. You tell me what you think what we normally do on these things, on these streams. I feel like I tell you every time. Oh, it starts half past. Yes, it doesn't start on the hour. It starts at half past. We used to Justice Square. How you doing, brother? We used to. I used to start it at 4, but I felt like a lot of people would join and then they didn't want to wait an hour. It's a 30-minute arena, you know. So we stream starts at 3 o'clock my time. And then we are going to play Blitz till 3:30. The arena will start. But you are right. Just is a good deal. Repeat convo. Yeah. I feel like we've been doing this for a long time. Same question, same answer. Let's go. Here we go. Let's trap his queen, guys. He didn't see it. Well, he can still do it. We can still trap his queen. We can still do it. This is my daily... Oh, no. This is my daily life, guys. Oh, no. I got to go slow right there. So it looks like I drop my rook. And then I come here. Are we going to do it again? Is this my life? Is this my new life? Is this line the only chess I know how to play? Didn't we just play this game the other day? Trapped. Nailed it. Dude, who am I? Why do I keep trapping queens, bro? Queen takes bishop. Now, I still have to win. He got some material for the queen. But I got the moral victory. Oh, he takes the knight. Okay. That's very interesting. Okay. Queen, just improve. Okay, just oh, he wants that? Okay, we'll come back. Okay, my queen... I guess take a free pawn. That knight sucks. Okay, just come back. I want to come here, though. Because I want to bring a rook. Come on, bring it. Bring it! It's gone now. It's mine now. Takes. Double my pawns. Trade. Okay, and then. Oh, I screwed that up. And I got him on time. Gained rating points for that too. Cool. What do we got in the tournament? Guys. I trapped his queen again. Can you believe how often that line comes up, guys? I clipped it. This is my life. This is my chess life. He's playing a 12-move queen trap. The thing about this trap is, the crazy thing about this trap is, so many of the moves are very natural for white. I'm playing a Latvian gambit that I've played thousands of times, and that exact line I've played probably hundreds of times. and you just suck them in. You suck them in. You suck them in because this was a blunder, except usually they play this blunder later. And then I know this trick. When he takes, I take with the knight, takes, and I got, he got a rook and a pawn for a knight. He got 6 points. I got 3 points. And then he saves his bishop, and I trap, his queen's trapped. I got to do this to defend d5. He castles. I threaten to trap the queen in one move. He does this, which would be god-awful to... Imagine that check. I'd have to leave my bishop behind. I could maybe bring the knight. It's bad. So you just push the pawn. And then they just take it. And then you trap their queen. Is this something to be proud of? I'm not sure. But it's definitely my life. This is my life. Bro, yeah, you were in the last video. It's like, why is there 3 people in the arena? Join up, guys. Exactly. Listen to Lamoon. Guys, we need more people. There we go. Ananu joined. Does he escape? His queen is not trapped. Like, here I'm just threatening. Some guy in the YouTube comments was like, this is a well-known trap, and once you're too far into it, there's no escape. I'm like, is this AI talking? This is not a well-known trap, and even all the way to this point where I'm threatening it, see, the queen covers this square, so he could play g3. And then when I do this, he could come back and not lose his queen. See what I'm saying? If I do something like this, he could get away. Something like, oh, and I think I played this line before, though. I think I played this line before. He has queen e3. Yeah. And we're playing chess. And it's +1. It's +1, even though he's up 3 points of material. It's only +1. Because of all the piece play, my king is safer than it looks. I can get developed, I can bring my queen, and I have an open file toward his king. White is clearly better. Call it the royal snare. Dude, I call it, I love it. 2 evals. I'm noting this line down because I've fallen for this trap a lot. I don't understand when you say you've fallen for this trap a lot. Because I play chess all the time. I watch chess all the time. And I have never seen it, but there is a line in the book that is very similar to this. In the Latvian book. In the book that you and no one else has. The Congrevanus Latvian book. There's no words in this. There's no words. It's because it's in a different language. They use the international language of chess. There's no words in this book. They just give games and lines against with strong players. And it's all trash because the Latvian Gambit is not good. Yeah. So Booba says 2 evals. Yeah, so there is a... It's like... It's not trapped till it's trapped. And even when... Remember, he was up... He gets like a rook and a pawn for the queen. No, a rook... Yeah, rook. He basically gets a rook and a pawn for the queen. So it's an advantage. The biggest thing about it is, it's funny. It's funny. Yeah. Latvian Gambit, Mr. Charly variation. It's the dumb variation because chess doesn't go like this. You don't play this dumb move. The best move is there and then either knight c4 or the old best move was here, then knight c4. d6, knight c4 takes. And this is a Latvian Gambit. It's +1. It's +1 right here. In this position, come on, Stockfish. It's not updating. Tournament starts in 4 seconds. 3, 2. Oh, the arena, guys. Guys, get in the arena. You can join late. You can join late, guys. You can late join arenas. Darn it. Well, I get it anyway. Ratul! Ratul is my friend. I love Ratul. Indubitably. Okay. The knight's gonna be a monster here too, by the way. Okay. Attacking my... It's already protected, so we're good. He could have took the bishop. Dude, Ratul, great game. Hey, Durgeister, sure. Durg, your name is Durg. Durg, welcome, Sage Hertman. Thank you for the like. Kenneth Matthew Borders. Jimmy Blaze is back. AJ Lidvina. Anthony Archuleta with the like. Thank you, man. Do you follow the stream, Anthony? I would feel like I would recognize your name more than I... Sounds kind of familiar. Mike Sawicki says hello, man. Sean Bernhardt. Rhodes, I love you, Rhodes. Thank you guys for all the love and comments. Call it the Royal Snare. Got that. You can join arenas. You can join arenas anytime. Not really. I have fallen for this multiple times where the queen checks. I push my pawn and I lose my rook. Yes. Yeah, that theme. Yes. But you got to understand that's I'm playing black and I want them to take my rook. And then later on, I trap their queen. That's what I'm saying. The queen h4 check g6. Knight g6, h6, queen takes a1, the rook and or actually it's the other side around. It's queen h5 check, g6, knight g6, h6, queen h8. Losing that rook happens. But then king f7, bishop e6, knight bd7, knight f8, that queen trap is a little bit different, and it's kind of set up with that exact Latvian scenario. I'm not saying it's unheard of, but I'll tell you this. Like I said, I've never seen it. Oh, man, there's a pinned comment, brother. There's your arena right there. Next arena game. Yeah, I didn't invent it either. I think I found it in a game, and then I went and looked and saw it in the book. So maybe I saw it in the book 30 years ago, but I don't feel like I did. But I don't know. Oh, the rook was hanging. Oh, I slipped, guys. That was a slip. I dropped my rook. Dude, he got me on time by far. Aishan, good game, dude. Aishan was way up on time. I think Aishan is my nemesis where he'll get a little bit down on material and just win on time like almost every time. Anthony says, been watching you for years, Charlie. It's always a nice vibe. Cool, dude. Your name looks familiar. I just feel like I don't see you in chat as often as maybe I used to. So thank you for coming in. Thank you for saying hello. Looking at your profile pic. What am I looking at? I don't see what I'm looking at. What is your profile pic of, Anthony Archuleta? I can mouse over you on Facebook. It makes it a little bit bigger. It almost looks like somebody laying on the deck of a ship with their face resting on the rail and their body sticking straight out toward the floor. That's what I see. What is it, brother? Yep, it's me. It is you, Aishin, dude, you got a great style, brother. Bro, I made a gamut, but I don't know if they'll accept it because my gamut is named... Oh, I get it. Well, that I don't know. That I don't know. This is, you might... If you want it to go far, you might want to make a less divisive name. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Rhodes, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Ooh, next arena game. Let's get in the game, guys. Then I gotta go grab the thing real quick. Next arena. How many people? Dude, the arena is growing like weeds, folks. Look at all the players. 12 players. One. Here we go. Ultimate. You saw it, guys. I didn't even see it. Wow. This guy's rated 200, guys. He's rated 200 chess.com rating points. He's crushing me. Castle's short. I kind of almost like that. Like, I almost got to admire it. I don't have to, but I kind of want to. Didn't see it here. This guy's not rated 200, guys. Oh my god. He had queen takes queen. He had queen takes queen, guys. Then we come like up to here. Good game. Dude, Ultimate, you play insanely good for 200. It's a pic of me sitting on the Ford Ranger, brother, just vibing. That was a cold night. But it's kind of far away, right? It's pretty far away. What, did you take the camera with like a space satellite or something? I'm like, I want to zoom in. It looks good, brother. Chill on a cold night. A cold night in Arizona? Dude, it gets hot in Arizona, guys. Can you put the link for the tournament? Yes. For the arena. Join it. Okay, let me see if I can look at a game real quick. Let's watch, Moe's, guys. Moe's is 2200. Hey, Adam Engel with the 50 stars. Adam, thank you so much, dude. Anthony, love you, brother. It gets hot in Arizona, doesn't it? Guys, 1 second. I'll be right back. I got to get back in the arena, guys, or I'm going to lose the arena next game. Here. If he sees the pre-move, I could lose the queen. Okay. Probably not best. Okay, it's a move. Bishop maybe? I better bring the rooks, don't you guys agree? I better bring the rooks, guys. Pinning. Oh, I dropped it. That hurts. Untangle Ling. God. Horrifying with 1 second left. The checkmate comes through. Are you from Timmy's chat? Who is it? Who are you asking? Deregister. Hello, hello. Got you. Okay, caught up. Again, thank you, Adam, for the 50 stars, dude. Longest running star streak here at Charly, Sardo Gaming. Next arena game. Guys, I just beat the 1900. Okay, we got to beat John Michael. Yeah, I was kind of worried about that. My knight was supposed to do this. Not understanding. You know what I'm saying? Not understanding the value of that bishop. Writing something, here, I guess. There's a follow! And he got me on time. Oh, man. All I gotta just look at the clock. Alexander, thank you for the follow on Twitch, man. Love you, brother. Love you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, folks. Can you put the link for the tournament? I did. Yeah. Okay. Let's go, Cameron Ayers. Welcome, dude. Welcome back, Cameron Ayers, long-time chiller. Looking at your picture, brother. You are hanging out with some people that you love. It's a great picture, Cameron Ayers. Next arena game, guys. We're trying to get the points. I think we beat this guy last time. Me and him are stuck in the same rating category, guys. That's a good move. This covers it all. Here. He's moving too fast. I'm just in trouble. He might have had a draw there, threatening mate. I'm completely screwed. Here. Wow. Guess we got to push the other pawn. Didn't we just have this position? And he beats me on time. Oh! By far. Guys, I'm moving way too slow. Did I click next game? Oh, this is Mo. This is Mo. Next game, next game, next game. How do you even stop following somebody, guys? Charly! It's D4. Just play it now. I'm only behind one move, guys. No! I didn't see it. I didn't see it. This is just mate. Just play it, mate. Good job, dude. Good job. Dude. Chaforby. Good game, brother. Good game. These guys are... Dude. Dude. This is a really good thing that this is not rated. Oh, my God. I'd be losing every rating point I ever earned. I literally just saw Hikaru play this. Probably not the best move. I don't know what to do. I just had to move, guys. That was dumb. And now I lose. What's this guy's rating? Whoa, this is Mo? It's Mo. I didn't know it was Mo. I didn't know it was Mo. I didn't know it was Mo. It doesn't matter. Mo, good game. I keep following Mo, and then I didn't know it was Mo. I'm waiting for my next game, guys. Oh, Timmy who? Timmy Hansen was the bass player, Merciful Fate. How do you unfollow? How do you Stop spectating. There we go. I love Mo. I love Mo. I just want to look at one of his games while I had to run to the thing, right? Okay, guys, I'm waiting for... how much time we got left? 7 chess.com minutes, and I am like in last place. Mo was crushing with 42 points. AMFM Kirby with 38 right behind him. Kirby keeps that streak going, and if Mo drops off, Kirby's going to have to beat Mo. That's just what's going to have to happen if Kirby wants this. Best chess, Best Lamunkun of chess is doing very well, too. Here we go. I got Kirby. I'm going to be the spoiler. Yeah, I'm losing again already? It's because you got to play knight c6 first. I can resign after how long? After move 10? Well, okay. Dude, I did not try and throw that game. I had to play knight c6 on bishop c4. There's a reason. I never knew the exact reason. Pinning. Not pinning. Yeah, this is bad. Set it up, folks. Set up the mate. It might happen. He was winning on the clock. I had 1 second. This is Atrime. Today is our 1 minute arena. This is a 30-minute arena. There are 4 minutes left. If you join right now, you can still get some. You're going to take revenge. Dude, all you had to do was look. You had so much time. I'm like, because you spent a little bit of time right here. See, I came here so there's no more knight check. I'm threatening mate in 2 if the knight moves. But it's attacked. So, like, what's the best move here? I don't know. But I know that you just had to... You do like this. And there's no mate. And then you went on time. But I say that as you have a great score against me. So but I was literally I'm sitting there thinking he's going to play knight takes. He's going to play knight takes and there's no more mate. I just set up the mate, man. I just set it up, folks. I had this set up for a long time too, but it had to open up. It finally did. It's like I'm just trying to do cheesy stuff, right? And you're doing it way faster than me, Aishan. Pink Thong. Pink Thong, how you doing, brother? Welcome to the stream. Guys, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. Usually Elden Ring, probably Elden Ring tonight. That's what we do, guys. It's my life. Well, that is my life. What else is my life? Trapping people's queens with the same old boring line, folks. And we did it again today, too. LOL, hi, Charlie. So, yeah, if you guys like, if you guys are into chess with a really cool chess community, the best in the world, the chillers, this is where you want to be, folks. Here, I guess. Here, I guess. Okay, here, I guess. Here, I guess. He saw it. Okay, hit the rook. Okay, take the pawn. Okay, and then just go. I probably gave some wood back, but I'm cool with it. And he got me on time by far. Kirby, I didn't even know that was you. Good game, dude. Oh, Kirby. One thing I did for Mo there, I drugged that game out a long time. How much time? We got 22 seconds. I don't think it's time to finish the game, but we're going to try. Dave Joyce with 100 stars. Dave Joyce, how you doing, man? We're not going to be able to finish a game. Yeah. Dude, I was doing so okay there, and then completely, the thing is, Kirby is clearly a level above me, at least. And so even when I do well, then at some point I make a dumb move. First place, guys. Mo's gets first place. Congratulations, Mo. AFM Kirby, second place with 49 points. And best Laman Kun of chess with 25 points. Good job, man. Good job, guys. Any honorable mentions? Honorable mentions. Let me see. Who did good? Charby. CH4RBBY. Charby at 1220 rating. Did very well, but even better, Ratul got 5th place and he's 1191. I always say Ratul is 1400 going on 1800. Ratul is great. Are we playing another arena? No. We're going to play some 1 minute. You became 3rd. Yeah, good job, man. Good job. It was rough arena, man. I got 6th place, guys, out of 14 players. And I was probably like the 4th rated, or I was probably like 4th rated. 1, 2, 3. Where am I? 4. Yeah, I was 4th rated and got 7th place. Not a good result for me, folks. Not a good result. We're going to make one more cup of coffee. I'm going to take you with me, though, guys. Can we have a 30 seconds arena whenever you're going to be doing one? Aishen, I don't know. Do you guys want to do that, man? That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Does that go on your bullet rating? We could do it unrated though, right? You guys have 30-second. What's his name? Kirby was just talking about it. Yeah. Oh my God, that sounds like your brain will be fried when a 30-minute, 30-second arena is over. How is your brain? Kirby said it himself at the beginning of the stream. I just got done playing 30-second chess and my game is fried. It's going to be so fun. Okay, let's put it up. Let's put it up, guys. The people have spoken. I'm here to play chess with you guys. So we might as well then... We'll see how many of you really want to do the 30-second arena. New club tournament match. Club arena. Chess chillers. Chillers first 30-second arena. Okay, unrated. We will go for score-based standard chess time control. Where is that zero? What is it? Where is that 10-second with the 1-second increment? I don't even see that one. But I do see 30-second. There we go. Wow. This is going to be a mouse speed test. And you know what? I actually might not do as bad as you think for an older man because the elderly can still serve a purpose. Guys, we got to make this coffee if we're going to do this arena. Oh, wait, I got to put it up, though. I got to put it up. Hour starts at what? It will start at, I think it starts at 14, right? I think it starts at 14, which will be 22 chess.com minutes. Oh, no, 14:30. No, 13:30. 13. Guys, I don't know time. 13:30. So 13:30 is not... Okay, if it's 4:02 right now, 4, I guess, is 14. So it's going to be 14:30. We'll try this. If it doesn't work, I can just delete it. Yeah, 25 minutes. There we go. Okay, we're having a 30-second arena in 25 chess.com minutes. Time says I do rapid, but I used to do bullet, so I have some sense of hyperbullet. Nice. I'm sure you are faster than all of us. I don't know. We're gonna find out, man. You sound like John Kirkcow. Who is he, Hunter? Who is he, Hunter Enoch? He must have a really beautiful voice. But he's no way he's this good looking. Right? It's okay though. I'm sure John Kirkcow is a really nice guy. I guarantee he's doing his best. Come with me to the coffee cam. All right, guys, we're back. We're back to chess. Back to chess. Okay, now, I'm joining the arena. Oh man, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. You guys really want to do this? Let's do it. 21 minutes left. We can play 1 minute until then, unless someone wants to challenge me 30 second. And if someone wants to challenge me 30 second unrated, you guys can do that. Probably means Karaku, but I don't hear it. John Karaku is an ex-CIA agent. He whistleblew on the torture methods. I know exactly who that guy is. So interesting. I love that guy's videos. Oh man, Kirby gets a 30 second. I haven't done this, guys, in forever. Beat him on the clock and on the board. We love the coffee cam. I love it too. Dude, wait, I want to talk about that guy. That ex-CIA guy. His stories are so awesome and so believable. There's another guy that does the same thing. The guy with the hair that's way better than mine. He's younger than me too, right? You know the guy I'm talking about. Darker skin, awesome, curly, dark hair. He's like... And they're kind of at war, right? They kind of talk smack about each other. But I'll be honest. The John Kirkow guy, 1,000,000% more believable than anyone telling those stories that I've heard. Just move! Yeah, I should have gone for the pawns faster, man. Dude, blunder accuracy beat me good. So many mouse slips. Right after saying we might not think you're that quick, I do find the videos entertaining. Oh my god. But it is Hope Chess. This is an insane. When's tournament start? Dude, this is the kind of thing you could like, you could get stuck doing, right? For many hours. Come on. He got me on time. So much faster, Aishan. Did you know if you played Bullet against a bot, they get under 30 seconds, they start moving instantly? Yeah, bots are rough, bro. Bots are absolutely rough. Are you talking about, you mean if someone's cheating? Like a human being? I'm trying to play people I haven't played yet. Peon wants to play a 1 minute game. I'm going to play Peon a nice, slow, relaxing 1 minute game of chess. Oopsie. Might not want to, he literally played like the moves that you play when you get your king checkmated in the least amount of moves. Good game, Peon. To be honest, Zach beat me after I gave myself 6 pawns and him like so much queens. I don't know how Zach made me though. Second game, he gave up all his queens by force. Huh. I don't know, man. Thing about 30 seconds is you have to play chess. There is no plan. That's true. You almost, at least for me, for my level, I feel like I just have to move and hope I didn't blunder something. But then while my opponent's moving, I can look for a second and then I got to make my next move. It's just very pre-move-ish. It's very pre-move, which I'm not knocking it. It's freaking fun. He had it. He didn't see it. That was good. Got me on time by 5 seconds. Aishan's been playing this before. Aishan has an unfair advantage. Oh, blunder accuracy with a 10-second +1. We're going to try this one. I watched Hans Niemann the day he tweeted his lawsuit. I watched in real life, I watched Hans Niemann play in this against Ray Robson and against Eric Rosen. And he beat me on time because I looked. See, I don't think I've ever played that time control before. You pretty much have to move about the same speed and try and get ahead. Then when you get to like 15 or 20 seconds, you can start thinking, right? You've been inspired to play Hyper Bullet from the way Donnie used to play in some sort. Stream Rock rules the entire chess universe. This is possibly true. Chirby! Coming at you, Chirby. checkmated. I was down a second. Cherry's 1,200, guys. I'm 1,700. I mean, I was winning on the board, but I was losing by almost 2 seconds. Happy Monday, Elevator. How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Happy Monday to you, man. I'm having a great Monday. It was rated? That was rated? Which one was rated? The one I just played? Term starts 11. Let me look and see. If it was, I didn't get any points for it, I don't think. Maybe in this time control, maybe you do. We'll see. It wasn't rated. There's no rating change. How could you say I got one ELO? Why doesn't it say it in the game? Right here. They don't tell you, they don't list your rating right there. Okay, I think it just said +1 down at the bottom. Info. Rating change +1. Wow. I was Hikaru, guys. I was farming rating points. I got 1 point. If I played him all day long, I would lose rating points. 1,000%. Out of a Honey Badger, what's up, dude? Dude, Honey Badger, they got me playing this 30-second chess. There's an arena starts in just a few minutes. There's an arena. Guys, join the arena here. I'll put it here. Join arena. This is going to be a 30-minute, 30-second arena, guys. You have 30 seconds for the whole game. That's just insane. Have you done this before, Honey Badger? Whoa. Wait, I want this one here. Replace pin message. There we go. I'm learning. Wait, no. I want to go... where is it? Join arena here. This is the 30-second arena, guys. The new pinned comment. Oh, my God. Pin that one. And then I gave it 4 here, too. Let me pin it. There we go. Okay, guys. Boy, you guys are crazy. These people are crazy, Honey Badger. Blunder Accuracy wants to play 10-second with +1 increment. I'm going to try that one again. This is what I saw Hans playing Eric Rosen. Oh, I guess he started another game. Witless. Witless beat me in the tournament. I kind of wanted the check first, because now it's like I don't feel like I'm really going anywhere. You know what I'm saying? Probably should get my thing out, right? Don't let him go in the hole, guys. Never let him go in the hole. Never. He went in the hole. I let him go in the hole. Never should have allowed it, guys. Dude! I beat him with 0.2 seconds. Honey Badger said, can't think, just move. Exactly. And that's where you lose. When you like, I'm going to win it. I'm going to win a rook. No, you're not going to win a rook. You're going to lose on time. It's hilarious. This is really fun, guys. It's Aishin. We're not friends on chess.com yet. Aishin, we're now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Honey Badger, you should get in, brother. You should get in. Honey Badger's a good chess player, guys. Out of book Honey Badger Chess. He's got a YouTube. Check him out. He's a good chess player. What's it? Aisha wants to go for another 30 seconds. I don't want to get too burned out. I'd rather promote, guys, the 30-second chess is fun. Kind of look at the board, kind of try and take free stuff, kind of try and pre-move, and then just move real fast. If you're lower rated, try it. If you're not having fun, then just stop playing. It's an arena. You can join late, you can leave early. It doesn't matter. The important thing is it's fun. You're eating field. What are you eating, brother? I had a freaking... You know what I did? I took a frozen burrito and I nuked it in the microwave. Then I put it in olive oil in the pan and fried it so it was like a chimichanga from the Mexican restaurant. Wait, 2 fried eggs, bam, with the red habanero sauce all over the whole thing. I felt like I paid $30 at the Mexican restaurant, guys. It was freaking amazing. For dinner, I'm definitely having pasta. I made a big barrel of pasta the other day and broke it into sections and froze them. So I'm going to have probably the one with the most meatballs in it is going to be my dinner. Yeah. Burger King. Dude, let me tell you something about Burger King. A good Whopper is great. The problem is sometimes they give you a bad Whopper. If you get that one, time is the strongest. Peace, Toasty, cheese it. You should get in if you played this crazy chess. If you have that one Burger King that always gives you a good Whopper, I would do it a lot more. But for my Burger King, it's about 50-50. So you got to just get lucky. Them cheap burritos are pretty good. Fried. Yeah, all you got to do is put some grease on it. And I use olive oil instead of the the industrial grade vegetable oil or whatever. We need more people, guys. Get in the arena. There's only 5 minutes left. You got it my way. They made it good, huh? Yeah, Burger King, dude. There you go. He got it his way, man. We got a complicated order. Do you remember that one? Saturday Night Live skit. The girl's like mad. He takes a microphone. We got a complicated order. It's funny. I didn't remember the whole skit. I just remember that was funny. Oh, man. One more. 30 minutes, I died from laughter. 30 minutes, I died from laughter IRL. Wait, you got one elo. Okay, good. Again, yeah. Yes. Yeah, no. So who did that to me? Chirby did. Chirby just made a mistake. If you ever challenge me, guys, you got to challenge me unrated. Because I'm not smart enough to look at it. Kirby's not playing. Kirby's not in 30 seconds. I love you and think about you all the time. Sir Marfil, thank you. It sounds like a song. Are you sure you're not reading words from a song right now? Love you too, brother. Thank you so much for the kind words. If you think about anybody all the time, I would say you might want to get some help. Because I don't think it's healthy to think about anything all the time. You're practicing 30-second against some 1200. Good for you. And typing at the same time. O-Trime. Guys, 3 minutes. Grabbing my water. I'll take you with me. It's right over here. All right, and my coffee's getting cold because the one thing about these games, there's no time to sip your coffee. It's still actually a little bit warm, though. Oh, they're coming in, guys. We got 5 players. Ratul is in. Ratul is not scared. Ratul finished third in the... Was that third in the 1 minute? Toasty Cheese says, ask them to make the Whopper fresh if it's not busy. It's not unreasonable to ask for it in my... Oh, double Whopper with cheese is my go-to there. I'll tell you something about double burgers. I got turned off by double meat so long ago. A Big Mac technically has double meat, right? But they're so small, it's like... And there's so much bread that it's not overwhelming meat. And it's a McDonald's, right? So a Big Mac I can do. Double quarter pounder, it's just kind of gross to me. Regular quarter pounder. Deluxe. Deluxe quarter pounder, add mac sauce. Dairy Queen, you know what? I'm down with just a regular Hunger Buster. I don't need a Belt Buster. I don't need double meat. Because the meat's not that good, right? I am in the hill country of Texas, and there are a lot of places around here that make like competition-style hamburgers. Okay? And I know, let me see, Alamo Springs, I think, closed up and then opened back up again. They got an amazing burger. There's a place near me that has an amazing burger. Oh, they had that place we used to play music at. I think it was called, I just had a pretty good burger at Bill's Burgers. They're known for burgers, right? It was good. What was that place we played down the hill, man? Down the street in Johnson City. Courtney and I used to play gigs there. And of course, you play music there, they give you free food. So you get a free burger. Those burgers were pretty exceptional, man. Pretty exceptional. So yeah. There's plenty of burger joints around here that are they're competing to have the best burger in the world. Yeah, Blender is too quick, made me regret wanting to play 30 seconds. Dude, I have to change my opening strategy. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm changing my opening strategy for you guys. You guys are busted. I'm taking down the arena. Kirby, where are you? I think Kirby's done, guys. I think Kirby's burnt. I think Kirby's... Oh, no. Kirby's probably just burned out. Because when Kirby got to the stream, he said, I just got done playing a bunch of 30-second chess, and my brain is fried. 17 seconds, guys. Get to your boards. All right, guys. Why? Dude, Shanigan. Dude, I didn't even look at my opponent's name. I get it. It's all about the ratio. Burger King is the only place I get a double except Five Guys. Five Guys is incredible. Oh, I'll tell you this. Double it in and out. Totally do double it in and out. And both kinds of onions. Animal style or not animal style is fine. But you get a double it in and out, both kinds of onions. Raw and grilled onions. So good. Got him again. Not same guy, probably. Or it probably was the same guy. Did you just do the same thing again? Did you get checkmated the same diagonal? Yeah, stop doing that, Chirby, and you won't lose games like that. And Aishin, again, just crushes me on time. I felt it at the beginning. You are going to make me hungry, but that's good. I can get hungry because I'm going to eat in a few hours. Stalemate? Oh, okay, I got all his pieces. So lucky to freaking not lose that game. Just kidding, man. I am Steve. Abdel Rahman, I don't know what that means. Just kidding, man. How you doing? I'm doing great. I'm getting my butt handed to me by all these people in this 30-second chess I've never played before. He just beat me on time, Ratul. Dude, I still think I have 1 minute on my brain. I'm not understanding the severity of the situation. I'm going to get last place in this tournament. You guys are all going to beat the streamer today, okay? What are you doing, Charlie? See, the worst thing that can happen is you can be up material. Because then you just start trying to convert. Right? Am I right? I think I'm solving this, guys. Slowly. Oh my God, who's winning? Aishin is crushing it. I'm in third place. That's insane to me. Really, really, really nowhere close to Aishin or blender accuracy, though. Good move. And I just sit there trying to look at the pawns. I'm useless at this game. Random facts for use is there are 10 to the 120th power possible games of chess, which is more than there are electrons in the visible universe. Yes, I believe that number is 10 to the 120th in the first 10 moves or something. No, I mean, is that the entire game? It's a lot. It's a lot, but it's really not that impressive, right? Because I mean, do you know how many possible football games there are? I would say it's probably infinite. Right? Because someone could take a step 1/4 inch to the left. It's probably not infinite, but it's a lot more than chess. It's a lot more than chess. The ball could bounce a different way. It's kind of like the monkeys typing War and Peace, right? Like, eventually, he's going to type War and Peace. It's going to take more years than we have numbers for, but it'll happen. It just randomly can happen. I'm waiting for my game, Barnes Hart, how you doing, Sean? Big screen, Barnhart, love you, brother. Looking at your face. You looking good, brother. He had mate, guys. He had mate. Dude, I pre-moved like the last 8 moves. He still has 11 seconds. That tells me he's pre-moving everything. He's pre-moving everything. He must be, right? It's the only reasonable explanation. Oh, dude, Sean, we're playing freaking 30-second chess. The thumbnail says 1 minute. We need to get back to 1 minute, guys. I'm going to get banned for false harassment, for false advertising or something. And he beats me on time. Beats me on time with 1 second. Good game, Kirby. Next match with me. We are playing in arena right now, my brother. Bahaskar. Join the arena. There's not that many players. He was fast, yeah. Anjugan. Yeah, these people are freaking way faster than me, guys. But I can get better at this. I can get better at this. We have 18 minutes left in the arena. That's like room for 18 more games. Oh my god. Wow. Here. You saw it. 1 second left, Ratul. See, basically, Ratul was winning that game. How's it going? Made it to the stream. Daniel Abbott, welcome, dude. Daniel, we're playing 30-second chess. There's like 17 minutes left in the arena. You should join. It's freaking crazy. It's unrated, and you just have to move the pieces as fast as you can. It's insane. I'm sure like Hikaru looks at the position. Yeah, not this guy. Okay, here we go. Got me on time. You guys are too fast. Dude, this might be like... This... Wow. I'm feeling vulnerable right now. Like I'm not moving fast enough. This is crazy. Okay. I'm just going to win on the clock. I'm just going to win on the clock. I'm just going to win on the clock. That's what they're doing to me. I'm going to do it to them. Should have took that. I had to do it, guys. Oh, I was supposed to move back one more. I was losing on the clock anyway, so that was probably a good result. Who the hell is it? 2,700 in the arena now. 2,700. Dart Far Mace. Don't know him. Let's check him out. Whoa. Dart Far Mace joined January 28th, 2026. He's been around. He's been around for what, 8 or 9 months or something? Rapid 2100, Blitz 2500, Bullet 2708. Dude, are you in chat, Mr. 2700? You almost beat the 2070 upper rook, but he flagged. Oh, yeah. Well, that's part of the rating, though. Flagging someone is part of the rating. Guys, I got to grab this thing 1 second. Yeah, I just had an idea. More pre-moves. More pre-moves. I'm not pre-moving though. Why would I give that? Why would I give that? That was so cheesy. Well, did he hear me? It was before the game, so it's not stream sniping. I said more pre-moves. Masterpiece Pickle says, hello. Yeah, it's like 30-second chess, so just make a bunch of pre-moves and pray for the best. I just tried that, and my opponent outsmarted me and back rank mated me. Yeah. That was just insane. Here we go. We're going in. We're going back in, guys. The only way to win is to go back in. Good rhyme. I'm on today, folks. And I was up on the clock. Chirby, good game, brother. Charby. Chaforby. Charby. Trying to say his name right, guys. It's Leet Speak. You guys don't know how to talk Leet Speak. Only me. It's not even letting me back in. You know why? Because it's like, dude, you're embarrassed, bro. We're going to give you a little break. We're going to give you a little break. Charly Sardo Gaming. You get a break. Did Basker just get in? Oh my god. Does he? Why does he wait? Why does he move so fast? Take that one. Why wouldn't I save my back rank? He's trying to checkmate me! I'm trying to walk into it, too. Dart Farm Ace. Dart Farm Ace. Ooh, is his name starting to make sense now? This is fun, dude. He had my queen. No, he didn't. Of course. "13 seconds. I don't understand how they move so fast. I really don't understand it. I mean, I guess I'm winning on the board technically-ish, but not barely by much, right? And he's, like, used barely half his time. He's just moving? Is he just moving, guys? I just gotta move? Do I make the board smaller to pick up a few seconds, guys? A few milliseconds? Wow, 1.2 seconds. I finally beat blunder accuracy. I'm supposed to lose that game. Stevie 29 star, how you doing, dude? We're playing this crazy variation of chess called 30-second chess. It's not 1 minute chess. It's not bullet chess. It's 30. Is this called lightning? What is this called, guys? Super duper chess? Why would I just give it up like that? I saw the make, guys. I looked for it, and I had it. Okay, I was up on time and on the board, so that's good. That was the first time I've been, like, up on time and the board against Charly, so I'm getting better at the game. I'm getting better at the game, guys. Oh, my God. How do we even compete with these guys? Let's go. Let's just play faster. We play faster, folks. Dude, it's fun, but it's one of those fun things that's like very stressful and fatiguing. 4 minutes left, guys. You're going to play 8 more games. Pascar Chess got in. Got him on time. Blender accuracy. Wow. 0.5 seconds. That doesn't feel like a win, guys. We got to, guys, we got to go on a big streak here to win the tournament. We can't win it, guys. It's too late. These guys are too far ahead of us. We could try, though. Just imagine that you have to move faster than your opponent. Okay. Cool with it. Can't do it. Wow, interesting. Bring him. Come to Papa. Come to your Papa. Wow, I didn't see it. What's he doing to me? Kirby, how do you just do that at the last second? That was amazing. I'm happy with my score, but I'm low-key wanted to score more than 65. I low-key just don't want to keep losing games against everybody. That's me. That's my low-key dream. Good game, Kirby. It's fun, but dude, oh my God, it is freaking taxing. It's taxing on your brain and your mind. It really is. 1 minute, guys. I got time for one more game. I think if I'm losing, I can drag it out and take a draw. Come on, guys. Aishin crushing it. How come I have no opponent? Don't está my oponiento, man. It's Spanish, guys. Don't try and say it. I liked Bishop better. It was dumb. It ended. It ended. I was losing on time. Aishan, you are a beast at this game, brother. Good game, dude. Good game. Charly gets second. Look at this. Look, blunder accuracy. Dude, this just shows rating schmating, guys. Aishin 1646. He has experience playing this. Charly 1200. You have experience too, right? In blunder accuracy. All you guys have experience doing this. I think Dart Farm Ace came in late, and so he got 4th place. I finished in 5th. Ratul tied with me. Uners and Bascar Chess came in late, and I don't think he played the whole time. What is that? What is that variation of chess, man? It's too fast. It's not even a variation of chess. It's just a time control, right? Guys, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charly. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. With the best community in the world, the Chillers. You know, you want to talk about getting sweaty when they talk about, you know, it's like a put down for like Warzone players. This guy's sweaty. It means like he's trying. Like you're not supposed to try. But people, they say that when they lose. Dude. I'm freaking getting sweaty right now trying to win. Overtime says, I was playing Charly in the last game. You're up 6 seconds, but it aborted. Yeah, that's pretty much what happened with me and Aishan. Aishan was up 5 seconds. And a bishop. And it ended. So that worked out pretty good for me. Yeah. Yeah, wow, man. That is freaking horrifyingly fun, guys. Dude, you know what? Maybe we're gonna make Mondays speed chess day, and we'll do a 1 minute arena, and then also a 30-second arena like we did today. Lefty, how you doing, man? Welcome back, Lefty. Good to see you, my friend. Lefty, we were just playing 30-second chess. We did a 1 minute arena, and then we did a 30-second arena, and it was freaking amazing. Gazing amazing. Glad you made it here, brother. Glad you made it, man. Let me see here. What's going on with the... Does anyone know what happened with the turn? These are the finals, right? Who will win it all? Results. Bragg destroyed Keimer, and Fabi destroyed Wesley. So when do they play the final? It said finals. 23rd to 27th, today's 24th. Okay, so so what, they get a rest day tomorrow, and then like semifinal play up on the 24th if necessary. 25th finals in 3rd place match. Finals in 3rd place match, or no, 25th, that's tomorrow. Finals 3rd place match. Okay, that's 2 days. Yeah, this is just kind of a nice tournament, man. A lot of games in this tournament, guys. Wesley was doing great. Wesley not doing so good anymore, guys. And Bragg, I think, is making a big comeback. Yeah, Pragg's making a big comeback, man. You gotta love that about Bragg, dude. I wish Praggnanandhaa the best. I really do. I really do. What are we looking at here? I'm looking for my raid on Twitch. I don't think I feel like maybe I did raid this guy before, but that's okay. We can raid him again. He's got the perfect amount of viewers. He looks like a cool dude. Twitch, we're going on the raid. I'm going with you. Okay, so guys, come with me on the raid. Facebook, I freaking love you guys. Hit like and follow on the way out. Catch you guys later. Gaming tonight, 8 p.m. YouTube, freaking love you guys. Hit follow or subscribe, and gaming tonight at 8 p.m. Be there. And then there was Twitch. And we do a raid because people raid us, we raid them. I'm going with you on the raid, guys. Follow me. Check this guy out. What's his rating? It's too small to see. You'll see it when we get there.